Hi fellow travel lovers, it's Christy at Happily Forever's After, the channel that is all about travel. Welcome! In this video, I'm showing you some budget-friendly travel hacks that's going to allow you to get cash back on your travels and even earn some money as well. I'm not talking about just earning money in the form of gift cards or discounts. No, we're talking about real money. Real cash that can go either into your PayPal or your bank account. I mean, you can get some gift cards if you want, but the point is you get to choose. If you want gift cards, you get gift cards. If you want it in a bank account or PayPal, that's up to you. The point is you can get real cash back, so you can either use it to pay bills, use as fun money, or even pay for your next vacation. TopCashback is a super easy website that gives you cash back on your online purchases. There are over 4,000 retailers at TopCashback, like Amazon, Walmart, Walgreens, even grocery stores, and so much more. So you are literally making cash back on purchases that you would be making online anyway. Even better for travelers, you can earn cash back on your travel planning, all the way from hotels, house rentals, shuttle service, car rentals, excursions, activities, even your luggage, electronics, accessories that you need before your trip, and more. It's a no-brainer. It's amazing. I'm new to this site, but I kick myself thinking of all the money that I've missed laid on the table, of all the purchases that I've made that I could have got cash back for my trips. I wish so much that I had been part of this site sooner. It's completely free to sign up and use, and they're offering a special bonus right now when you sign up as a new user. There's a link in the description box below, and it's really important to use that link in order to be able to take part in the special bonus offer. When you click on the link that I've provided for you, you'll then be eligible for a $10 cashback sign-up bonus after you spend $25 by making purchases through the TopCashback website. This is just for new users though, so if you haven't signed up already, click on that link below so that you can follow along as I take you to the website and show you how to sign up, navigate, and use the TopCashback website, as well as how to save money for your next trip, earn cash back on your travel planning, and even how you can make some extra cash along the way too. I'm amazed with this site. You can earn cash back on every part of your next vacation or trip planning, from start to finish and everything in between. It's amazing. I'll show you all that, but first, if you're new to my site, this is Happily Forever's After, and this channel is all about travel. So if you love learning about travel destination information, travel hacks, deals, tips, and reviews, then you're in the right place. This channel is for you. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell too, so that you'll be notified when I post my next travel video. Also, if you find this information helpful, be sure to hit the like button. That will help me know that you found this information helpful and enjoyable. I do like to create content that viewers like. The more likes I get, the more I know I should make more videos like this. So if you like travel budget saving information, then please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you haven't clicked on that link below yet, go ahead and do that now so that you can follow along. I'm going to take you over to the TopCashback website right now so that we can get started, and I can show you how to use it, how to navigate, how to maximize your savings, and show you how it's done. Come on, let's go. First, remember to use the link I gave you in the description box so you can take advantage of the $10 TopCashback sign-up bonus that they're currently running. If you don't, you'll be out of luck. No cashback bonus for you. Follow directions. Once you're on their site, you enter your email and choose a password. When it asks how you've heard about them, you can choose online forum. Once you have your account, you authenticate your account with your email, and you're in. It's really that simple to sign up. They do have a startup guide and a facts section if you'd like to learn more before you start purchasing and browsing. To get going, it's really simple. You simply search, select, shop, and you get cash back. It's really that easy. Here, let me show you more in detail. As I mentioned earlier, TopCashback has over 4,000 retailers, but since this is a travel channel, I'm going to focus on their travel section. As you can see over here from the drop-down tab, from the menu, click on Categories. You'll see they have an entire section dedicated to travel. Look at all they have. They have everything from airlines, cruises, vacation packages, hotels, luggage, and more. I mean, look at this. There's booking sites that most of you are familiar with, like booking.com, that gives you 7% cash back. And Travelocity gives 7% cash back too. There's hotels and even concert tickets. Look here, you can even earn 5% by purchasing your concert and events tickets through Ticketmaster. There's car rentals, more hotels, lots of hotels, pretty much near every type of hotel I can think of practically. And even here, they're offering cash back to sign up with Clear. Clear is pretty much like TSA PreCheck, only they're privately owned. Clear expedites the document identity screening process, and TSA PreCheck expedites the physical screening process. And Clear's even giving cash back to even try out their 2-month free trial. Wow, that's amazing. You can get cash back with kayak.com. I use them all the time to find cheap flights. I did a video not too long ago to show you how to navigate their system and find the cheapest flights possible. And here, there's Vrbo for house rentals. And wow, look at this, 5% cash back at SeaWorld Parks. And look at this, you can even earn cash back when you need to park your car at the airport or other long-term parking needs. 8% here at the parking spot. Look at this, oh my gosh, 20% cash back through airportparking.com. There's even shuttle service. Seriously, there is so much here to go through. I can't possibly go through them all. Literally hundreds of choices to earn cash back for your travels. I'm doing my best to give you a brief but thorough overview, but you seriously need to sign up and look through all the possibilities yourself to see which suppliers will be best for your own travel needs. Here's 6% cash back for City Pass, and let's not forget cruising. There's 3.5% cash back from Cruise Direct. Oh my gosh, this is making me need to go on a trip right now. So many fun things to do. There are so many hotels and chains to choose from. Some individual hotels like Holiday Inn give 6% cash back. And look here, there's Hotel Indigo, also 6% cash back. I love Hotel Indigo when I'm in downtown Asheville. I've done a video on their property. How great is it to stay at an amazing property like Hotel Indigo and then getting 6% cash back from your stay? Bonus! Then there's Viator.com. I use them all the time, not just for my travel clients, but I also use them for me and my family for activities and excursions on our own trips. Let's take a peek to show you what they have to offer. First, check to see what types of offers they have listed. It's a good idea to look at the terms and conditions too. There's some stipulations that tell you what situations may stop you from getting your cash back. Things like if you use a staff or student discount code, a promotional coupon code not approved by TopCashback, or obviously when you cancel your purchase. Make sure you're aware so that you don't miss out. Let's go back up and look at this offer that gives you 50% off things to do, plus free cancellation, and gives you 6% back on your activity purchase. As you see, when you click on the offer, it takes you to Viator's website. It's important that you go to Viator's website first by going through the TopCashback website, because that's how they're able to link your purchase and track the cash back that's available to you. Just put in the city you want to go to, as well as the dates. And, well, let's see what there is to do in Costa Rica. There's zip lining, horseback riding, tubing adventures, waterfall and volcano hikes. You can ATV through the rainforest, go on a catamaran cruise, or go sailing or snorkeling. You can book all your vacation adventures and earn cash back by purchasing through your TopCashback website. As I mentioned, I've used Viator a lot for my own travels as well as for my travel clients. Travel agents and consultants use Viator all the time, so I can tell you 100% from experience that they're a great company to purchase your excursions and activities from. Simply choose your activity and the dates and continue booking through their site as usual. As long as you've arrived at the Viator site via the TopCashback website first, you don't have to do anything else. They take care of the rest for you. Your purchase is tracked. Once the supplier processes your purchase, then it'll show up in your account. When checking out, just make sure to not apply any unapproved coupons or discount codes or book under special rates that aren't approved by TopCashback that might disqualify you from earning your cash back. It can take up to a few days, even a few months for some purchases to show it as tracked in your account, especially when it comes to travel. In the travel industry, it's standard that commissions are not paid out until travel has been completed. As a travel agent, I'm used to that. When my clients travel, I don't get my travel agent commission until maybe 2 or 3 months after my clients have traveled. So it doesn't surprise me at all to learn that it's the same way with travel suppliers and cashback sites. That's the way TopCashback is able to give you cashback on your bookings. The travel suppliers, meaning the airlines, hotels, etc., give TopCashback a commission for the bookings that go through their website. And then, in turn, TopCashback gives you, the user, 100% of that commission. 100%. That's unheard of. Because they do this, they're able to consistently feature higher rates than their competitors. Usually, cashback sites will take a cut of the commission and kind of split it, but TopCashback gives you the whole kit and caboodle. The hotels, cruise lines, car rentals, etc., they need to make sure that you actually travel without canceling, or else they're going to go bankrupt, right? So they're not going to pay out that commission until you've traveled. And so after you travel, then they'll be able to process your payment, and then you will be able to get your cashback processed through TopCashback.com. That being said, when you shop with a store like Walmart, for example, the orders and cashback are processed a whole lot quicker. For example, my last purchase was a curling iron from Walmart. Although when I made the purchase, it said to allow 7 days for the transaction to process into my account, it was actually processed much quicker, as in it was processed by the end of that exact same day quicker. So if you have any questions regarding your account or your cashback, they do have a customer service department. In my personal experience, they get back pretty quick, and they've got back to me every time in less than 24 hours to answer my questions. If you're wondering how TopCashback makes any profits, if they give their users 100% of the commission, I'm with you. I wondered the same thing. So I looked into it. The way they're able to profit and pay their employees is through adverts and sponsored links, which are clearly labeled as zero cashback. If any members ever click on a sponsored link, then it goes to support their site. Merchants and their tracking agencies are also prepared to pay them bonuses for things like bringing high traffic volume to their sites. All these things come together to support TopCashback to remain financially sound and able to give us, their users, 100% of the travel commissions as cashback. Isn't that great? I think so. Another thing that makes TopCashback unique is that they don't have a minimum payout. Many cashback sites have dollar amount minimums before they allow you to get your payout. That's not the case with TopCashback. As soon as your payout has been processed and is available, you're able to claim that amount immediately. Here's some other things that you might want to keep in mind that can be useful. One is if you have ad block installed on your device, it may prevent TopCashback from being able to track your purchases. So you'll need to uninstall ad block if you have that installed in your device. Also, when you're making purchases, take screenshots of your purchase in case a purchase wasn't able to be tracked. That way, if you have to dispute it, you have proof. Also, be sure to read and understand the terms of service to make sure you're not doing anything that's going to keep you from getting your cash back. Also, pay for your purchase with a credit card that allows you to earn points for cash back for travel or earn travel points. That way you're maximizing what you're getting for your travel. And also, get an affiliate link with TopCashback, because then you can share this amazing site. You're going to learn how much you like it, how much you love it, and you're going to want to share it with your friends. And when you do, you're going to get some cash back, and they'll be able to start out with some cash back by using your affiliate link as well. And then also just start browsing and shopping. It's so much fun to see what you can get back from the things that you're already purchasing. So let it work for you. Don't sleep on this site. This site is truly a no-brainer. This video is sponsored by TopCashback, so thank you so much for choosing to work with me. I'm excited to show everyone what you're about and how you help us travel more for less by earning cash back on purchases that we would be making online anyway. Thank you so much for joining in today. And if you still need to sign up, don't forget to use that link that's in the description below so that you can take advantage of that $10 sign-up bonus after you spend $25 at one of the retailers or travel suppliers through TopCashback. Let me know what you think of this. Are you going to sign up, or did you sign up already to earn cash back on your online purchases? Or are you already a member? I'd love to hear about your experiences. As I said, I'm new to this site, so I'm looking forward to come back to you in the future to give you updates. And please keep in touch, leave a comment, and I hope you become a part of Happily Forever's After community by subscribing. I'm so very thankful for you. Happy travels. Bye-bye.